Today I will guide you on how to crochet this Calla Lily flower. Let's begin. To crochet Calla Lily flower, we need white yarn, yellow yarn for spadix, and green yarn for leaf and the stem, and I am using 2.5 mm crochet hook. Make a magic ring. And make 12 double crochet in this magic ring for this chain 2 and double crochet 1 2 3 and 12. Tight the magic ring. Close the round by making a slip stitch in the very first chain. Our first round is complete. Chain 2. Now in a second round we will increase in each stitch. In total we will get 24 double crochet at last. One, 2, 3, 4 and 24. Close the round by making a slip stitch in the very first chain. Our second round is complete. Now make 2 chain, and in the third round 1 double crochet and increase in the second, 1 double crochet and increase in the second. In total we will get 36 double crochet at last. Chain 2, 1 double crochet in the very first stitch and increase in the next 2 double crochet in the same space. One double crochet in this space and an increase in the next one, 2 double crochet in the same space. Like this, complete the round. Our third round is complete. Now close the round by making a slip stitch in the very first chain. Now chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Make a slip stitch in the same chain. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. Hide this extra yarn using the needles. To make this spadix, I am using 2 strands of the yarn to make it a little bit thicker. Make 1 slip knot and chain 11. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Skip the very first chain and make single crochet in the next chain. Single crochet in each chain. In total we will get 10 single crochet at last. One slip stitch here, 1 chain and cut the yarn. Our spadix also ready. This is our right side, which should be in the front like this, and this is our wrong side where we will glue the wire. So in this way you also can make this Calla Lily flower in a very easy way in very short time. I hope you like my video. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for the next video. Thank you for watching.